Hi, this is Nick from Lipscomb Fiat. Just going to show you around this new spec Tipo Life. It's a 1 litre engine with 100 brake horsepower, finished in volcano black. Comes with the dark diamond cut alloys and the privacy glass. Let's just take a look inside. So inside the car we've got the black trim with the centre armrest there. It's got a 7-inch touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay and the automatic climate control there. It's got leather gear knob and it comes with the Bluetooth included, cruise control. It's actually adaptive cruise control, auto lights and wipers. So it's a really good spec car. Just show you around the back of the car now. So it comes with reverse parking sensors which are fitted in the bumper there. Let's just show you in the boot. So the Tipo has a cavernous boot with a 60/40 split rear seat. And would you believe, a full-size spare wheel. Looks really attractive in the black, and the wheels set it off nicely. It's got brushed aluminium door handles. And you've got the brushed aluminium around the front fog lights there. So the Tipo really is a great family car. It's just been updated, and this particular version is in stock for immediate delivery.